Get the most out of your washing machine by following these simple tips. Did you know that the lid from a container of scented laundry beads should be used in this way? Add a mild bleach after the wash has started. The bleach works well, even at 30 degrees Celsius. Remove stains and sanitizes your clothes thoroughly. Dry wool sweaters faster using this method. Now it's almost dry. For a whiter, brighter wash, add percarbonate directly into the drum. Proceed with a regular wash and check out the results. Smelly shoes? Pour a little mild bleach into them. Then, protect them with socks and rinse them in the washing machine. To properly maintain your washing machine, remove limescale buildup with citric acid added to a 40 degrees Celsius wash cycle. Perfectly descaled. Here's a brilliant way to clean the filter without getting the floor wet. Handy. Instead of using a commercial fabric softener, try this DIY recipe. Your clothes will be soft and fragrant. To combat unpleasant odors, you can use a dishwasher tablet. Place it in a sock so that it dissolves slowly, unclogging and perfuming the drum and the drain.